Welcome to Innovin Foods. Today we are making Chicken Kadai Kebab. Juicy kebab cooked in a spicy Kadai style masala, perfect for lunch, dinner or special occasion. Let's start the recipe. Take 1 cup chicken pieces. Add 1 medium onion, 2 to 3 green chilies, 4 garlic cloves, 1 inch ginger, 1 chopped tomato, half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon pepper powder. Add 1 tablespoon coriander leaves and 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Mix well. Lemon juice helps tenderize chicken naturally. Now pour everything into a blender. Kadai style cooking is known for bold spices and high heat. Blend into a smooth mixture. Blended chicken gives kebabs a softer and juicier texture. Transfer the mixture to a bowl. Grease oil on your hands and shape the kebabs. Heat 2 tablespoons oil in a pan and place the kebabs. Fry on medium heat. Always cook kebabs on medium heat to avoid burning. Flip the kebabs. And cook for 5 to 7 minutes until nicely cooked. In a bowl, mix half cup curd, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and half teaspoon cumin. Add the curd mixture to the pan and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Add curd only after lowering the heat to prevent splitting. Kadai kebabs are often served without skewer straight from the pan. Finally, add sliced onion, tomato, green chili and fresh coriander leaves. Chicken is a great source of lean protein. Homemade kebabs contain less oil than restaurant version. Ginger and garlic aid digestion. Fresh spices boost flavor without extra fat. Your chicken kadai kebab is juicy, spicy and full of desi flavor. Serve it hot with naan, paratha or salad. Try this recipe at home and share your experience. Follow Innovin Foods for more easy and flavorful chicken recipes.